Replacing or upgrading an RV toilet is one of the most practical improvements you can make to your rig. Today we're covering 5 of the best options currently available on Amazon. The Dometic 320 is one of the most purchased and longest selling RV toilets on Amazon, with over 2,500 verified reviews and a 4.5 star average. And it earns that record through a combination of build quality and flush performance. The bowl is made from 100% vitreous china, the same ceramic material used in residential home toilets. Compared to polypropylene plastic bowls, vitreous china resists staining, scratching, and odor absorption more effectively, which matters when you're cleaning the same toilet on a long trip. The flush system delivers pressurized water around the full circumference of the rim, rinsing the entire bowl surface with every single flush. Operation is handled by a single foot pedal. Press it halfway to add water to the bowl before use. Press it fully to flush. The 18-inch seat height matches a standard home toilet, so there's no adjustment period for new owners or guests. At 37 pounds, the 320 is heavier than plastic alternatives, so a second pair of hands during installation is recommended. The minimum rough-in distance is 11 inches. Check your existing installation before ordering. The Dometic 320 is best suited for RV owners who want a permanent, home-quality toilet experience and are willing to pay for a ceramic bowl that will hold up over years of use. Dometic 310 series takes everything that makes the 320 a strong performer and refines it with one important design change, a rimless bowl, while coming in around 11 pounds lighter. A rimless bowl means there is no interior ledge running around the upper edge of the bowl. Traditional rimmed bowls have a hollow channel around the top where water is distributed, and that channel is a common spot for waste residue and bacteria to accumulate between cleanse. The 310 eliminates that ledge entirely. Water is delivered in a vortex pattern through the power flush system, which spirals water around the bowl surface rather than simply dropping it straight down. The result is a bowl that cleans more thoroughly per flush and requires less scrubbing during regular maintenance. At approximately 1 pint of water per flush, it is water efficient without sacrificing rinse coverage. The slow close seat and lid prevent slamming, a small but practical feature in an RV where thin walls mean every sound travels. The 310 also uses a universal 2-bolt mount, making it a direct drop-in replacement for most factory-installed RV toilets. The Dometic 310 is best suited for owners who want to step above the standard ceramic toilet, particularly those who spend extended periods living in their RV and want a bowl that stays cleaner between deep cleanse. The SEAFLO SFRT PH0101 is one of the most compelling options in this category for buyers who want residential height comfort and reliable flush performance without paying the premium price of a Dometic or Thetford ceramic bowl. What makes SEAFLO credible in this space is their OEM track record. Their toilets are factory installed by Forest River, Thor, Jayco, Grand Design, and Winnebago, meaning major RV manufacturers have already tested and trusted this product in their production lines. That is a meaningful quality indicator that goes beyond Amazon review counts. The flush system uses tri-directional nozzles, which distribute water across a wider section of the bowl surface per flush compared to single direction designs. The bowl itself has an anti-stick coating that reduces waste adhesion and makes cleaning faster. The seat and lid are soft close. The foot pedal allows adjustable water flow, so you can control how much water you use per flush, a useful feature for dry camping or boondocking where freshwater supply is limited. The standout spec is the warranty, 4 years, which is double the 2-year warranty offered by Dometic and Thetford at comparable price points. Replacement parts are also sold separately, making long-term maintenance straightforward. The SEAFLO is best suited for budget-conscious RV owners who want a reliable, warranty-backed toilet with residential height and a proven OEM track record. The Thetford Aqua-Magic Residence is the lightest permanent RV toilet on this list at just 9.5 pounds. And for RV owners managing payload weight or handling installation solo, that difference is significant. For comparison, the Dometic 320 weighs 37 pounds. The Aqua-Magic Residence weighs 9.5. If you are installing alone, or if your RV is close to its payload limit, that weight gap matters. The bowl is made from polypropylene plastic rather than ceramic, which accounts for the weight difference. Polypropylene is less scratch resistant than vitreous china, but Thetford's anti-porous surface treatment helps reduce staining and odor absorption compared to standard plastic. The 18-inch seat height meets ADA compliance standards, meaning it is designed to be comfortable for users with limited mobility or joint pain. The flush system uses a single foot pedal and a ball valve mechanism that wipes the bowl clean with every full flush. Half press the pedal to add water to the bowl before use, full press to flush and wipe. The valve does not leave standing waste exposed between flushes, which helps with odor control in confined spaces. It is also made in the USA, an uncommon detail in this product category where the majority of alternatives are imported. The Aqua-Magic Residence is best suited for solo travelers, weight-conscious Class B van owners, and anyone installing a toilet without help who needs a lightweight, manageable unit from a trusted brand. The Dometic 410 is Dometic's entry-level porcelain bowl toilet, and it brings two specification advantages that make it stand out even at the lower end of the price range. The first is the rough-in distance. At 7.625 inches, the 410 has the shortest rough-in measurement in the industry. Rough-in refers to the distance from the wall behind the toilet to the center of the floor drain connection. In small RV bathrooms, particularly Class B vans and compact travel trailers, this distance can be tight enough to disqualify larger toilets. The 410 fits where the Dometic 310 and 320 cannot. And the second advantage is the bowl material. Despite being the most affordable option on this list, the 410 uses a genuine porcelain bowl rather than polypropylene plastic. Porcelain resists scratches, stains, and odors more effectively than plastic, and it maintains its appearance over time with standard cleaning. The round bowl keeps the footprint compact, and the soft close seat prevents lid slamming. Dometic rates this toilet for double the weight capacity of leading competitors, and it has been tested to 10,000 flushes during quality validation. The Dometic 410 is best suited for owners of compact RVs or tight bathroom layouts who want a porcelain bowl upgrade without paying full price for the 310 or 320.